Tesla is an American electric vehicle and clean energy company based in Palo Alto, California. Tesla's current products include electric cars, battery energy storage from home to grid scale, solar panel, and solar roof tile products. Founded in July 2003 as Tesla Motors, the company's name is a tribute to investor and electrical engineer Nikola Tesla. The purpose of Tesla is to help promote the move to sustainable transport and energy obtained through electric vehicle and solar panels. Tesla ranked as the world's best-selling plug-in and battery electric passenger car manufacturer in 2019, with a market share of 17% of the plug-in segment and 23% of the battery electric segment. In 2020, the company surpassed the 1 million mark of electric car produced. The Model 3 ranked as the world's all-time best-selling plug-in electric car, with more than 500,000 delivered. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see the brand new Tesla car prices in Nepal updated in 2021. For watching more interesting videos of bike and cars, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And without further delay, let's start today's topic. The Nepal government financial audience has announced 10% custom duty on electric cars, jeep and van up to 100 kW capacity, 15% on vehicles from 100 kW to 200 kW capacity, 13% on vehicles with 200 to 300 kW capacity, and 40% on vehicles above 300 kW capacity. The Go Green Go EV, the motive and plan to increase electric cars in the country and completely achieve 50% electric vehicles in Nepalese roads until 2031. The given prices are estimated car price with the following new imported tax for electric vehicles in 2021. The prices may further differ and its tentative Tesla price in Nepal. The Tesla Model 3 includes various models, which starts from 75.50 lakhs to 1.02 crore. The Tesla Model X, which starts from 1.85 crore to 2.25 crore, and the last Tesla Model S, which starts from 1.57 crore to 2.15 crore. Please note that above Tesla car price in Nepal 2021 is subjected to change and it is for reference purpose only. Talking to Tesla Model 3 in Nepal, the Tesla Model 3 is designed to improve over time with regular software updates. Introducing new features, functionality and performance, the forward design instrument panel provides even more legroom in the front. For a spacious passenger cabin, the center console is modern and efficient, with plenty of covered storage and charging for two smartphones. The enhanced comfort and convenience with front and rear seat heaters and heated side mirrors, and a custom audio system featuring 15 speakers for quality sound dynamics. Tesla all-wheel drive has two independent motors for improved redundancy, each with only one moving part for minimal maintenance and maximum durability. Coming through key specs and features of Tesla Model 3, its battery type are standard range or long range. Talking through its acceleration, it can go 0 to 60 mph in 5.3 seconds, which covers 263 miles. In Tesla Model 3, the driving shaft is rear-wheel drive and have seat capacity of 5 adults. The wheelbase is 18-inch or 19-inch. Coming through the weight, its total weight is 3,582 lbs, which have cargo capacity of 15 CUFT. There are 5 variants in Tesla Model 3. The top variant is Tesla Model 3 Performance, which is subjected to price 1 crore 2 lakhs rupees. And second one is Tesla Model 3 Long Range AWD, which is priced at 98 lakhs. The third number is Tesla Model 3 Long Range, which is subjected to price 95 lakhs. And the second last is Tesla Model 3 Standard Range PLUS Plus, which is priced to 85 lakhs. And in last, we have Tesla Model 3 Standard Range, which is subjected to price 75 lakhs 50,000 rupees only. Jumping through Tesla Model X in Nepal, Tesla Model X SUV succeeds with its Falcon rear door and strikes with its long-range battery capacity. The Model X, Tesla's biggest car, handling is surprisingly nimble for electric SUVs that provide all-wheel drive and performance car acceleration. The added particularity of the Model X optional third row of seats should appeal to family-oriented buyers. The Model X interior cabin with new center 17-inch cinematic display with 2200 x 1300 resolution, ultra-bright two colors, exceptional responsiveness, and left-right tilt options. New module and pack thermal architecture allows faster charging and gives more power and strength in all conditions. Coming through key specifications and features of Tesla Model X, its battery type is long range, which covers 341 miles in a single full charge. It can go 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds. The Tesla Model X has 7 adult seats and wheels of 20 inch or 22 inch. The total weight of Tesla Model X is 5,498 IBS and the cargo is 88 CUFT. In Nepal, the Tesla Model X is available in 3 variants. The top model, which is Tesla Model X Long Range, is subjected to price 1 crore 85 lakhs only, and the second one is Tesla Model X Performance, which is subjected to price 1 crore 95 lakhs only. Coming through last model, which is Tesla Model X Ludicrous Mode, which price tag is 2 crore 25 lakhs only. Many of you guys have questions, is Tesla car is available in Nepal? The answer is yes. Finally, Tesla cars are available on Nepalese roads. Around the first 7 Tesla electric vehicles, 4 Model X and 3 of Model 3 standard ranges, which are bought in Nepal in 2020. The Tesla showroom is located at Darbar Marg, Kathmandu. If you guys want to know the top 5 most upcoming electric cars in Nepal, please check our description. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you guys like this video, please support by like and subscribing the channel.